Hello dear students, in our last video we have discussed about the inbuilt functions which are available with the Python language. Now I hope you have understood how to access them, and in today's video we will discuss about the user defined functions, the different ways how we can declare a variable, declare a function, and how we can call it. So now let's go through the program. To start with the function in Python, functions, it is also known as the methods. So in Python, function is given with a keyword, that is a def. Def, say any name, method, method. This is the bracket, then colon, and say print within the function. So here it is the simple program where we have only to print that within the function, and then after we'll call this method method method, then print came out of method. So what it will happen, this is the function, the computer will start, the compiler it will start is sorry interpreter it will start from the function name, that is the method. The definition function, the definition part, whatever it is given, it will be executed only when it is being called. So method we have given it and its name matches with this function. So as soon as it will come to this line, it will execute this one and it will print within the function, and after executing this will come out and it will print the came out of the method. Now let's see. So first it is within the function, then it is the, now let's check. We want to do some addition subtraction, addition of two numbers. Say x is equal to int in input, addition of two number, enter a number, then y is equal to same thing, enter another number, it will be enter another number, and say z is equal to x plus y, and here it will print z. So when this will be executed, first it will come to the, as this is the part of the definition function, definition part, so it will be executed only when it is being called. This part will be skipped out initially. First it will come to the method, when as we are calling the method, so it will come to this part now, and it will be executed this, it will print the result, print z, print the result, and then it will come out. Now let's see. So it is asking for the first number, say let it be 3, other number be 4. So this is the 7, printed it, and after completion of this function it has came out to print out the came out of the method. Now if we return it, return z, means the function, this method will execute the code, it will input two number, it will get the sum, and it will return z, it will return to the place, say a is equal to, when we will call this method a is equal to, when it will come to the a is equal to method, so it will be executed this part, and whatever the data it will be returned, this z, whatever it is getting returned, it will be assigned to a, and here we will print the result a. Now let's execute it. So this is the 3, say 7, this is 10. So I think it is clear to all. Now next we are going to do this. In this we haven't given any variables. Now we will take the inputs of x and y, in the main part, and we will transfer the result, and we will send these values of x and y with the parameters, method x and y. Here we will write it a and b. So value of x will be copied to a and y it will be copied to b. Z is equal to a and it will be b, and it will be calculated, and it will be returning the value of the z, and it will be assigned to, say here it is name change, let it be different, d, and the result d. So what it will happen in this place, x will be assigned, y will be assigned, and d is equal to method, means from this place the method will be called with the values of x and y, whatever we are inputting it, and it will be assigned to a and b. Here a and b will be added, it will be stored in the z, and with the return function the value of z will be returned to the place, this is the place where it will be returned, and it will be assigned to the d, and finally it will be to this. So now let's execute it. So first number let it be 13, second number let it be 35, so it is 48, the result it is 48. So these two number it will get added. Now we have seen without parameter, with return statement, with parameter, with return statement. Now there is another way to take parameter, that is by default, means if we don't provide, say here we are providing it only x, in this case if we provide x and y we are taking it, but only we are transferring the value of x only, so it will be copied to a, and b will not be getting any value from this place where of calling, and b will be assigned with the default value. This x is where b is equal to 5, it is the default value, and all the default variables, the variables which are getting default values, they should be on the right hand part. There after this there should not be any variable like here c, without any data it cannot be. So all the defaults, the variables with which will have the default variables, they must be on the right hand side. If you want to keep another c is equal to say 8, it's okay, but only c will not be okay. So if we run it, then what will happen? Whatever x and y we are putting it, the x value of x will be copied to a, and b will be equals to 5, as here we are sending only one value. So let's execute it. Some error, it is okay. This we have now enter first number, set it is 10. Second number, so x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, but we will send only 10. Now enter. It is 15. It is not 30 because b is assigned with the 5. But if we are giving here y, then b will not be 5. The value of y will be copied to b. If value of b is not getting any data, then by default it is 5. Otherwise, whatever the data we are sending it, it will be copied to the b and it will be utilized over here. Let's see again. Now 10, 10, again 20. Now it is 30. So we have seen the default values. Now we will use only one variable, sorry, with the asterisk. We'll see how we'll do it. X is equal to y and let it be z, or let's remove this one. We'll directly take the data, say 5 comma 8 comma 9. So these are the three datas I will send it, but here the variable name will be only a. The data that we are sending it, it will be copied to a, and here a will be tuple. This asterisk a, these data it will get copied to a as a tuple. So if we check print a, if we are giving it, let us remove this one, check it. Now let me run it. See, here it is a tuple. With the brackets you can see it is a tuple. If you want to check the type type, run it, you will get it. It is a tuple. Now, as it is a tuple, you have to remember it. It is not a list. When you are sending the datas like this through a function call method, the data it is being transferred to this variable, and this variable will be behaving like a tuple. So if we want to get the sum of this, so what we can do, for I in A and S is equal to S plus I, and return, not here, return S. So what will happen? Here we'll have to do another thing. S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0. Then for each I present in the, or for each element present in the A, it will be added, and when the total addition will be done, then it will return the value of S. And to store the value of S, we need to have a variable, let it be R is equal to, and we can print it, print R. Now let's check it. So it is 22. Now, if we increase the more number of elements, say 6 and 1, previously it was 3, now it is 5, but it should be of integer type. Then it will give integer. If we are sending it a string type, let's see what happens to the string type. Say concept, it is Jhansi, say UP. Then another, let it be India. India. So these are the four datas that I am sending it. Now it is a string. All are of string type. No one is of integer type. Some error is there. Yes. Okay. Okay. This should be double quote. Yes. Now concept Jhansi UP. Here initially I had given it 0. So integer cannot be added to the string. So that's why 0 has been removed by this double quote, so that it will be a blank statement without a string, without any character, and it will get added as like this. Now another method it is there, another way it is there for dictionary. It will be for dictionary. Now for dictionary we need to have two asterisk. Now for dictionary we will have, say, A is equal to this, B is equal to this, C is equal to this, and D is equal to this. Previously we were just sending the data. Now we are sending with the variable names. A, B, C, D are the variable names, and when it will get copied over here, A will become like a dictionary. Now first check the data type of the A, and you will print the A also. Print A. So it will be dictionary type. You can see this is a dictionary type. Okay. Now check the type. Type A to confirm. Class dictionary. Sure. Now there is another none, it is giving it because it hasn't returned anything. So R does not have any nothing to print. So R has nothing to print, so it's printing none. For that reason this none it was coming out. Now as A is a dictionary, so we can get the addition as we have done it in the dictionary. So for this, say X is equal to A dot keys. So A will have all the keys. Then for I in X, so I will be the index. S is equal to 0. No, S is equal to double quote. Then S is equal to S plus A of I. Now let's see and return. Finally, to return it. Return S. Same thing, the result it has came. Now if we use the values, so this one will not be required. A dot values, and it will be, here we'll have to just give the addition of I. So X will have all the values. This concept Jhansi, UP, India, like this. Run. Error it is there. Some error it is okay. This will have the bracket because it is a function. Okay. So with this